Guys, welcome to Auguilicious. So I'm out here doing my work today. Today is day 11. So stay tuned. So you will get my nugget at the end of this my workout because I did some stretches which I'll be showing you guys. So I got a comment of someone saying, "Would this stretch help with your waist pain?" It's going not only to help with your waist pain, but it's going to build up your immune system, help your metabolism to burn off more calories. So what I'm actually doing is coming out to work out and burn at least 120 calories. So I've done my work and I've done some stretches to show you guys. I actually had a long walk which I'll be displaying as well. And let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. So stay tuned and watch out for my nugget I have for you guys.
Up with the sun, rising and strong. Lacing up shoes, feet moving along. Step to the beat, hearts pounding loud. Gotta get fit, never been so proud. Stretching these limbs every single day. Chasing the goals, won't let them sway. Push through the pain, won't face defeat. Exercise time when we move to the beat. Sweat it out, push through the burn. Feel the rush as we twist and turn. High fives all around, we're in the zone. Exercise time, we found our home. Run by the river, feeling the breeze. Strengthen our hearts, moving with ease. Every rep counts, muscles awake. Shred all the doubts, no room for fake. Jump into action, live for the thrill. Mind over matter, chase that hill. Breathing in deep, exhale the doubt. Exercise time, let's work it out. Sweat it out, push through the burn. Feel the rush as we twist and turn. High fives all around, we're in the zone. Exercise time, we found our home. Run by the river, feeling the breeze. Strengthen our hearts, moving with ease. Every rep counts, muscles awake. Shred all the doubts, no room for fake. Jump into action, live for the thrill. Mind over matter, chase that hill. Breathing in deep, exhale the doubt. Exercise time, let's work it out. Sweat it out, push through the burn. Feel the rush as we twist and turn. High fives all around, we're in the zone. Exercise time, we found our home. Up with the sun, rising and strong. Lacing up shoes, feet moving along. Step to the beat, hearts pounding loud.
Guys, if you're still watching till now, let me know in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this video. So I've had this walk from day 1 and today is day 11. It's been a whole roller coaster and it's been a very big challenge for me coming out to work out. What I noticed, I did not do my workout yesterday. I didn't burn the usual calories I should have burnt yesterday, and I felt so heavy. I had to come out this morning to do these exercises. So if you feel heavy, if you're feeling a bit overweight, or you could just take a walk and you'll be surprised what that will turn out to be. It will not only help your metabolism, it's going to help your day in, day out lifestyle and how you project yourself. Let me know what you think about this video because I've been out here coming out and doing this with you guys. I would really love to get your comment in the comment section. So my nugget for today is never slack. Whatever you're doing, do not slack, because most times we start something and we get to slack off because we feel that maybe no one is watching or no one is encouraging you. Just keep doing it. You'll be amazed that there'll be a bright light down the tunnel. Okay, guys, that's it for today. See you in my next video. Bye for now.